Festival Queen. Beauty of the face and figure 30%, projection and gracefulness 20%, visual value relevance 20%, visual aesthetic quality 20%, overall impact 10% with 100%. Okay, Festival Queens, get ready. Mga photographers, pagkibilisan po natin, mga sir. Okay, it's about time for the showdown of our Festival Queens. Pero bago yun, tatawagin muna natin sila isa-isa. Alright? Para makita po natin ang gracefulness of their dance. Alright? Tawagin natin ang ating unang Festival Queen, Reynalyn Antonio, Santa Cruz South High School.
Doon na lang mainit yung convoy. Oo, doon na lang nga rin. Kaya nagtitig-titig ako lang. Mainit. Masasaliw eh?